anger against the National Testing Agency's exam mess, with NEET and UGC NET aspirants protesting from outside the Education Ministry in Delhi to Lucknow.
छात्रों के भविष्य के साथ खिलवाड़ करने के लिए ये यहाँ पर बैठे हुए बेशर्मों की तरह हमारी डिमांड है सुप्रीम कोर्ट की निगरानी में यहाँ पर इंक्वायरी हो, एनटीए को डिसबैंड किया जाए।
5 साल से पेपर ऑनलाइन मोड में हो रहा था और सही हो रहा था बिना किसी प्रॉब्लम के, तो ऑफलाइन में कराने की इनको क्या ऐसी जरूरत आ पड़ी?
होल्ड है, खुलवा देंगे, जूता उतरवा देंगे, कहाँ स्कैन कर लेंगे कुछ नहीं पता है। पर इनके एनटीए द्वारा कोई पारदर्शिता है, सरकार द्वारा कोई पारदर्शिता है भर्ती में।
After a huddle in the ministry with top NTA officials, the government came out in defense of the beleaguered agency that holds almost all key entrance exams in India, saying that they would act against collusion at any level and would put the interest of students first.
Nobody has complained. The agency itself taken action. That I4C itself has taken action and caught those kind of that input, and they shared with us. That's why we have taken action.
The government claims it has been proactive and took suo motu action in the case of the UGC NET cancellation based on inputs available with them to protect students' interests.
अभी मैटर इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग एजेंसी को दिया गया है. At this level, if we disclose any detailing, it may compromise the investigation. If any accident happen, that should not be completely attributed to that change. That's what I am saying. But what are the pure reason, point-wise point, NTA can explain in later on.
A new date for the UGC NET exam will be announced soon, and the CBI continues to investigate on the alleged NET paper leak. As far as the NEET paper fiasco is concerned in Bihar, the union government has put the ball in the state government's court for the investigation. Meanwhile, the apex court put on hold hearings in high courts in cases related to the alleged NEET paper leaks. However, the counselling process will continue.
एनटीए से तो बिल्कुल उम्मीद नहीं है, क्योंकि उम्मीद रहती तो वो उम्मीद तो हमें थी जब तक जब तक रिजल्ट नहीं आया था तब तक।
The NET mess is exploding even before the NEET mess is cleaned up. The National Testing Agency have gone far beyond just the teething troubles. The first step to clean the mess is to take the blame. The big question is, will the NTA bite the bullet? With video journalist Stephen Antony, this is Aishwarya Jain with Tanushka and Tanishk for NDTV.